Today, I'm going to teach you how to switch between Lightning and Classic Salesforce user interfaces, whether you need to access features that are only available in one version, or you simply prefer working in a specific interface. Knowing how to switch between these two views is essential for navigating Salesforce effectively. Let's start with switching from Lightning to Salesforce Classic. First, look up to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile avatar. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, select Switch to Salesforce Classic. As soon as you click this option, Salesforce will begin transitioning you to the Classic interface. You might notice the page taking a moment to reload as it switches over to the older interface style. The Classic view has a different layout and navigation structure, so don't be surprised if things look quite different once the transition is complete. Now, if you need to switch back to Lightning experience from Salesforce Classic, the process is just as straightforward, but the location is slightly different. In the Classic interface, navigate to the top right corner again, but this time you'll be looking for your name or username. Depending on which page you're on, you might find it displayed at the top right or to the left of your name if you're on the home page. Click on your name or username to open the menu. From the options that appear, click on Switch to Lightning Experience. The page will reload and transition you back to the modern Lightning interface. Give it a moment to fully load, as Lightning Experience tends to be more feature-rich and may take slightly longer to display all its components. And there you have it. You now know how to seamlessly switch between both Salesforce interfaces depending on your needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.